Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to CompactLogix via Ethernet. First, locate the Ethernet port on your CompactLogix controller, typically labeled Ethernet or ENET. Next, connect a standard Ethernet cable from this port directly to your computer's network adapter. It's crucial to ensure your computer's network settings are prepared for a compatible IP address range. This initial physical connection and basic network readiness are the foundational steps for establishing reliable communication with your controller, setting the stage for configuration. Now, let's configure your computer's IP address. Navigate to your computer's network adapter settings and manually assign a static IP address. This address should be within the same subnet as your CompactLogix controller. For instance, if the controller defaults to 192.168.1.10, set your computer to 192.168.1.11. Ensure the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. This ensures proper network communication. With your IP address configured, open RSLinx Classic software. Within RSLinx, create a new Ethernet/IP driver. This driver acts as the communication bridge. Once the driver is active, you can browse for your CompactLogix controller. You should see it appear in the RSLinx browser tree. This successful discovery confirms that your physical connection and IP settings are correct, allowing the software to recognize and communicate with the controller, a vital step before programming. Finally, launch Studio 5000 Logix Designer. From here, you can go online with your CompactLogix controller using the RSLinx driver you just configured. Once online, you can download your project to the controller or upload an existing program from it. This allows for programming, monitoring, and troubleshooting. You can also observe the controller's status and program execution in real time, ensuring your automation processes are running smoothly and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.